So hi YouTube, this video I will teach you how to throw a proper combo or jab in the heavy bag. Kung gusto mo mag-throw ng proper jab or combo, gawin mo lang tong 4 or 5 steps na to para mag looking sharp yung jab mo like this. So if you want to throw a jab, don't do this like throwing some random combos like this, like that, like what's up, don't do that guys. Instead, do this combo if you want look sharp. Una, lagay mo yung left arm mo sa chin and then yung right arm mo sa harap. So if ikaw sa outpo ka, so ito yung ganito naman yung footwork. So same lang siya sa kamay mo and then bend mo lang siya ng konti yung paa mo, okay na. So ganun lang siya kadali guys. So if you're a beginner like that, so pag sama-samahin mo lang yun para mag look sharp siya and try mo na sa heavy bag. So ganyan, bend your knees na konti, tapos lagay mo yung kamay mo and then throw a jab na like that. So for my next video guys, I will teach you how to throw a proper cross. Thank you guys.